Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot-Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So I will just go through, like, I will just mix. I will go on gold, Euro USD, CHFs, and maybe, let's see, other stocks there. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. At the moment, or currently, we are on that S&P 500. You can see that the market already, it's showing us that, you know what, the stock market, it seems to be trying to recover. So we coming from this aggressive downtrend. Now we broke out of that resistant area, so which means this shows us that we are no longer on that aggressive downtrend. Then we might see the market starting to go higher. I saw Trump, he was talking about Canadian prime minister, that they are going to have some talks. Obviously, it's going to be about the tariffs, and I think that is also a good thing. I think maybe we're going to see maybe some reversals of some tariffs there, and that is actually good for the stock market also. I hope maybe you're following that. Plus, they also have a deal. US has a deal, or have a deal with Ukraine, the mineral deal and stuff like that. Maybe that will also help with the tensions with Russia. US, Russia, I think they will have a communication actually. So yeah, when we go straight to US oil, we saw that the market, it was going down. But when we check, I think we are reaching an area where we can call it a nice support. It's not like maybe the market, it's not like the market is not gonna break that. If the market is willing to break this level, it will break that. Is this area. If the market is gonna break that, we will see the market breaking that. But I'm expecting a nice reversal there. It's an area where the market reversed before. So which means there is enough chance that the market might reverse. Yes, the overall structure, we are still on a downtrend, but for now, we can just catch a quick scalping move going upside. And yeah, I think maybe that can give us something, unless if maybe the market can break out of that. So on Nasdaq 100, I think we had this trade since yesterday, but the market did not really move much. The market did not really do much. Okay, just because it's a daily time frame, let me try to read it, something like that. So you can see that already we are in a smaller profit, and I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. I'm expecting a continuation of that buy, but we can see it's easy because the market is coming from this lower or downtrend, and then the market broke out. Even though the market actually played around, the market did not really want to just jump and just move straight up. I think this can be a very proper reversal. It's still moving very slow. Maybe once the market opens, we'll see a nice continuation of that bullish move. So on US30, it's a little bit a different story because the market is still under our resistance. So which means we're supposed to wait for the market to do what? To break out here. Then we can say, oh, it's time for us to jump straight for after this breakout, we can jump straight to. But at the moment, we're still waiting because the market is still under. So what if maybe the market still continues to go down? So it means we have to take it slower, and we will see. We will see if maybe the market it will be trying to go even lower or not. But it seems like it's starting to follow gold and S&P 500. So yesterday the market was around this level. Thought maybe the market was going to break out of that, but gold is now going down because tensions are slowly going down, and this is a support area. So we don't really want to jump in and then the market continues to go lower, because I thought maybe the market was going to respect that level. But when we check, I think this is also another area that can be very, very, very important. You can see we marked that level. We marked that level. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a nice push. I'm still expecting to see a nice push, but before that, I think a reversal can also happen. We already see some very nice reversals there. So yeah, I can see like few days where the market was seriously reversing from this area to this. That is an aggressive move if we try to compare these reversals. I hope maybe that makes sense. So yeah, let's go straight to the other one, which is Euro USD. Euro USD it's been playing very slow. It's been going quite slower, but where we are, I can definitely say, I can actually say we are on a very nice uptrend and also a support area. That's why we have a nice buy pending order around this level, because I'm expecting the market to respect this zone. So a continuation of that buy, I think it can actually work in favor. So also on GbpUsd, we also have the same thing. It's also trying to push even a little bit higher, but the overall structure, it's actually a nice uptrend. We are on an uptrend, guys. We are on an uptrend, but where we are, we can see that the market is actually on the little bit higher area, so which means we might see the market consolidate before we see the market go rise to go down, before maybe we see something like that. But the overall structure, it's obvious. We are on that uptrend. I hear the kids make some noise. I hope you can hear them. So yeah, I'm expecting to see some serious consolidation maybe, but there is a chance that market can still break out of that. Remember, this Friday it's an NFP week. It's actually NFP tomorrow, so which means we might see things change. We might see things change. So you have to be extra careful, especially when we have NFP. So we hope that things are not going to be bad, but not also that positive, because we need Federal Reserve to cut the rates, right? So USD CHF, the market was aggressively on this nice downtrend structure, and where we are, we can say we are not really far from our resistance. So which means there is a chance. You can see the market consolidated several times here, so there is a chance for the market to continue going lower. We know very well that CHF, it was quite stronger. But if you want to trade this, check also gold. Gold is reversing, going down. So also CHF is starting to go a little bit up. See, because these are the economies that I know that they are having they call them safe havens, actually. Gold is a safe haven asset. This is also a safe haven economy, because it's stable and for quite some time. So if the tensions are going to slow down, we are going to see CHF losing a little bit. We might start to see the market going a little bit higher. And on the other side, I saw JPY, or yeah, JPY losing some momentum, or let's say the dollar, it was starting to be stronger. But the overall structure, you can see that the overall structure here, especially on USD JPY, we expect the market to reach these levels before we see a nice sell. You can see that we're coming from that aggressive downtrend structure, so that can be something that you have to follow. So yeah, the market can still go a little bit up, but remember, we are still on a downtrend. The market might respect any level and start to reverse. So don't just go all in and say, oh, I'm buying. No, make sure that you take it nice. So another one is GbpY. We can also see that JPY, it's gaining, it's losing some momentum, where we can see it going higher. You can see this level, so which means the market might reach that resistance. We saw it happen around this level, and yeah, we might see something happening around those zones. So on the stock market, we see that they are not really performing very bad. It's the market. Maybe the market will be going positive later on, but Tesla, I think it was the one which it was selling a little bit aggressive. But for now, guys, for those who wants to be part of the team, you can still be part of our team on that serious special there. For those who wants to learn from me, just let me know, WhatsApp me, and then we can take it from there. Yeah, it's actually $150 for 4 months. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Bye.